Okay, what's your name and what you doing?
Eddie, I just drew this.
And what is it?
It's a tombstone, and I will color it red for the blood color, and yeah, that's basically it. It's gonna be like this, except for without this word.
Hey, how come I don't get
Basically
interviewed?
this.
You can get interviewed.
And yeah, I might color it some more, and I'm gonna like kind of circle this right here, and yeah, this is what it looks like, and yeah. Actually, hang on. Maybe some more lines here. There we go. And this is my board.
3 feet and 1/2 inch. And there we go. So now I want to measure the length. It's going to be the signs are going to vary in size because it wants to be like Disneyland, but in Disneyland, nothing is real perfect. It's kind of wonky world. It's like really wonky, so not everything's going to be the same size. 21 inches. 21 inches.
I'm making like a get out.
Oh, a get out sign? Are we going to put that in the front yard?
I'm covering the W because there's
Because there's no W and go away?
go. Oh,
That's funny stuff.
My technique is first I just do the whole big picture, and then the spots I missed I do after.
Oh. Looks pretty nice. Let's get an overview shot. How about yours, Eddie?
so I'm kind of coloring around the red head, so it kind of looks like a gray hair thing.
Oh.
And this is supposed to be blood, the red. So
That's kind of creepy.
Ooh, oh yeah, oh. So it's how, on a scale of 1 to 10, how is it looking, Dad?
It's looking very Rotwood.
Why, thank you. In Halloween, when we say decorations look awful, that's a very nice compliment.
You say the same thing, Eddie?
no, I think actually yeah, because then it kind of looks creepy.